Hello everyone, welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Simonelli Musica espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the heating element, the one that you see right here, the fuse of the heating element, as well as the sleeve and the electronic connections of the heating element. And that is the new heating element with the new fuse and the new electronic connections as well. And as you can see, the machine is in really great condition. It's looking extremely well. Everything looks really nice, clean, very beautiful. So that's all we need. We just replace the heating element and the fuse of the heating element. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grand series of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice color, good flow. Probably I needed to put a little bit more coffee just to get that perfect crema and perfect shot that we're looking for. But as you can see, there's a nice stream coming out of the porta filter, excellent color, and crema is forming at the top of the shot. And as you can see, now a good shot of espresso with good cream on top. Now for the hot water, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature, looking great. And the steamer of the machine with excellent pressure, excellent temperature, working excellent. And there you have it, Simonelli Musica working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.